Welcome to this interactive lab simulation for the lab Manage Governance via Azure Policy. To navigate this interactive lab simulation, follow the prompts on the screen or use your forward and back arrows. In this lab, you will complete the tasks listed on your screen. In this first task, you will create and assign a tag to an Azure resource group via the Azure portal. In the Azure portal, click the storage account. Next, click the resource group. In the left pane, click Tags. Create a new tag called Role. For the value, enter Infra. Click Apply. Navigate back to the storage account. Review the overview information and note that the new tag was not automatically assigned to the storage account. This task is now complete. Click the screen to continue. In this next task, you'll assign the built-in In the Azure portal, search for and select. Under Authoring, select. Here, you can browse through the list of built-in policy definitions that are available for you to use. Select the Category drop-down arrow. Click the built-in policy named Require a Tag and review the policy definition, and then click Assign. To specify the scope, click the ellipsis button. Specify the subscription and resource group, and then click Select. Scroll down. Under Basics, provide a name and description for the assignment. Click Next. Provide the tag parameters using the same name and tag value you used earlier. Click Next. Review the Remediation tab. Leave the Create a Managed Identity checkbox unchecked. Click Next. Review the configurations and then click Create. The policy definition has been created. Next, navigate back to the resource group hosting the storage account used for the Cloud Shell home drive. Click Create. Next, under Storage Account, click Create. Verify that you are using the resource group that the policy was applied to, and then scroll down to the instance details. Specify the storage account name, and then click Review and Create. Review the notification. The deployment failed because the storage account you attempted to create did not have a tag named Role with its value set to Infra. Close the pane. This task is now complete. Click the screen to continue. In this next task, you'll use a different policy definition to remediate any non-compliant resources. Follow the prompts to complete this task. In the Azure portal, search for and select Policy. Click Assignments. Right-click the ellipsis button in the row for the select Delete Assignment, and then click Yes to confirm the deletion. Next, click Assign Policy. Click the Scope ellipsis button, and then select the resource group. Next, click the Policy Definition ellipsis button. Search for and then select the definition titled Inherit a tag from the resource group if missing. Scroll down. Click Next. For the tag name, enter Role, and then click Next. Select the checkbox labeled Click Review and Create. Next, click Create. To verify that the new policy assignment is in effect, you will now create another Azure storage account in the same resource group without explicitly adding the required tag. Navigate back to the resource group. Click Create, and then create a new storage account. This time, validation passed. Click Create. The new storage account is now provisioned. Click Go to Resource. On the Overview blade of the newly created storage account, Note that the tag role with the value Infra has been automatically assigned to the resource. This interactive lab simulation is now complete.